This is the time, this is the moment we shine, the moment we climb. There's moments in life where we fall or we fly. I'm still trying to find that sky, looking for a reason to listen to me. Let me just give you some pieces of me. Let me just take out my heart, then maybe you'll see that I'm not Superman, that I really do bleed. Might not give you that fake that repeats.
Tässä näemme harvinaisen V-Riderin ja hänen rallipatonkinsa.
Scared I'm wasting my time, scared I'm losing control of my life. I'm scared of commitment, of calling anything mine. I will be lying if I told you I'm fine. Serving these tables to put some food in my stomach. I'm tired of seeing my mom and say no worry, it's coming. My heart is racing, I'm running to anything more than nothing. Drowning in debt and I'm trying to pull us above it. Tell me everything will be okay. Tell me why does everybody gotta fade away? Am I crossing your mind? Cause you've been all up in mine. But if I saw you I don't know what I would say. Instead of...
No niin, oltais nyt vähän suus lähellä järvenpää, ollaan pikkuhiljaa perillä päin. Ei muuta kuin jatketaan matkaa.
Runs in the family. People telling me this music should be a plan B. How could you judge me if you don't understand me? No breaks, 120 going in. Destiny's calling, I'm like, baby, come on in. Right now it feels like do or die. Every day is who am I? You calling 9 to 5, man, I call it suicide. I see what they can't see, this is all that I can be. Rather be homeless and broke than be labeled as happy. They don't understand me, cause no one can stand me. It's always the outsiders who end up outstanding. I lost $100 on a bet. It's not a lot of money, but it said a lot about me in a moment. Guess I didn't understand it. When nothing is certain, don't ever take it for granted. Pride is a poison that infested our planet. Greed is okay, well that's the way that they brand it. Our view of everything is such a mess. Having less than we deserve is our perception of happiness. What am I supposed to do? They say follow the steps, stick to the guidelines. If I listen to that, I'm just a kid on the sideline. What's in your eyes? I don't care about your eyeline. Never cared about all of that. Money got people snapping for the quarterback. If I get it, I'ma give it back. I feel like happiness is something everybody should have. But we are who we are. I've been lost in the dark, well I've been shooting for stars. Looking for love, like is it really the heart? Or just have someone who's there when it's all falling apart? But every scar only makes your heart stronger. Hold on, just fight a little longer. I ponder these lines while mopping floors every night. That's when you feel the fatigue and all your hunger. It's been killing me, keep going with it, telling me more regrets than memories. Sometimes you gotta let it be, the past ain't ahead of me, I gotta give my best. How do I make change if I don't give you my 2 cents? I look around, I see the dying of youth. While you're picking up a bottle, let me pour you the truth. I used to be like all of you, like you got nothing to lose. Nobody wanted commitment when everybody's been used. Step in my conscience, my heart is the pilot. The past is behind you, but lately I've been behind it. I find I've been placing happiness in people who leave. Yeah, they love it when you're broken, hate you when you achieve. It's like I can never be me. The world is just a routine, telling you how to live in the certain value it brings. Like rings, summer flings, things ain't what they seem. So don't you ever buy the happiness that's out on the screen. Cause happiness ain't a store-bought can, and love isn't found in just a one-night dance. I'm looking at the sky like give me one more chance. I'm tired of sitting in my room like I know I can. Nothing's done until you do it, just look at what I'm pursuing. They doubted like what you doing, my girl, cause of my music. It was lose or lose it. My heart's to the music. If I didn't, I'd be dead, so I wouldn't, I choose it. Trying to figure it out. And this ain't even about us, I'm trying to be something more, someone my kids can be proud of. I'm trying to show everybody there's so much worth in these dollars, out here making a difference. Don't you give up, every line that I'm writing is just for you to get up. Love is barely enough, yeah we don't give it enough. Man, what's the point of the top if nobody wants to look up? So look up.